Good morning, student. Today we start new lesson, that is crop production and management. In this lesson we learn about what is crop, type of crops, and what are the agricultural practices which are required for the production of crop. So crop is sowing or planting a plant of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on large scale is called crop. So plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on large scale is called crop. Majority of the students whose parents are farmer, they know what are doing their parents on their farm. The plants of the same kind are grown into the farm and its cultivation at one place on large scale. This is called crop. The same kind of plants are grown and cultivated on one place on large scale is called crop. Then what is agriculture? Agriculture is a process of growing, cultivating and harvesting crop is called agriculture. Means is a process of growing plants, cultivating plants and harvesting plant of crop is known as agriculture. Several crops like wheat, maize, cotton, vegetables, pea, gram, groundnuts, etc. are grown on a large scale for our food, clothing and commercial purposes. So crops are grown for our requirement like food, clothing and for commercial purposes. On the basis of the season in which crop grown in India are classified into two types, that is Kharif crop and Rabi crop. There are two types of crop based on the season in which the crop are grown in India. These types are Kharif crop and Rabi crop. So on the basis of the season in which there are crops grown in India are classified into two types, that is Kharif crop and Rabi crop. So what is Kharif crop? In which season Kharif crop is planted and in which season Kharif crop is harvested. The Kharif crops are planted in rainy season. Rainy season in India is generally from June to September and harvested in October near about Deepavali are called Kharif crop. So Kharif crop are grown in rainy season. That is from June to September in India, generally rainy season. So this is 3rd August. Therefore, the season running in India now is rainy season. So the crop grown on the farm by your parents are Kharif crop. In Amreli district, the farmer grown cotton. So cotton is an example of Kharif crop. In Junagadh district, the farmer grown groundnuts generally. So groundnuts is an example of Kharif crop. In Anand, the student of Anand, their parents grown generally paddy, that is rice or maize or soybean are example of Kharif crops. So Kharif crops are planted in rainy season. It means from the month of June to the month of September and harvested in October are known as Kharif crop. Example of Kharif crop are paddy, maize, cotton, groundnuts, soybean, etc. So another type of crop is Rabi crop. The Rabi crop are planted in the winter season. Winter season in India is generally from the month of October to the March and harvested in the month of March or April are known as Rabi crop. Example of Rabi crops are wheat, gram means chana, pea, matar, mustard means rye and linseed, matlab ursi, etc. are example of Rabi crop. The farmer of the Amreli, Junagadh and Anand district planted in winter season of wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseed, etc. Therefore, these crops are called Rabi crop because they are planted in winter season. It means in the month of October to the March. For the growing crop, farmer performs several activities. It means it is not an easy task for farmer. For the production of the crop, they follow some basic practice. For growing crops, farmers perform several activities known as agricultural activities or agricultural practices. They include the preparation of the soil of the farm. They prepare the soil for growing the crop. They are sowing the crop, sowing the seeds or implanting the sapling of the seeds as a plant. Next, they adding manure and fertilizer in the field. Next, they irrigate. They regular supply the water to the crop plants for their growth and development. They protect the crop plant from weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants that may grow along with a main crop plants. They protect from the weeds from the plant. And then they harvested. They grown and cultivated. And lastly, the storage of produces of the plant. So these are the basic practices or basic agricultural practices that follow all the farmers. These agricultural practices we learn one by one from next period. Thank you.